fascinating thing about hydrogen is how broad the use case is. I mean, you're really talking about almost every sector of the economy. So whether that's power generation, aviation, light, medium, heavy duty transport, talking about heating, really almost any component of the economy, you can find a pathway that hydrogen can be useful. And if we can find the ways to basically make hydrogen at the lowest carbon intensity or even carbon negative, it can be a powerful lever to decarbonize the economy and help different countries find different pathways to get to net zero. My name's Justin Freeman. I'm the Vice President of Carbon Capture, Utilization, and Storage and Hydrogen for Coffman Engineers. Hydrogen is the most abundant element on Earth. We're all familiar with it. It's water, H2O. So hydrogen is actually used in society today a lot. Most of it is in industrial processes at refineries, for instance. And a lot of the hydrogen that's produced today is kind of referred to as gray hydrogen. They take the methane and they run that through a reforming process, and they strip out the carbon from that CH4 and they produce the hydrogen, but they also produce a lot of CO2 that they emit to the atmosphere. So if you take that same process and you pair that with carbon capture, that's now referred to as blue hydrogen. There's multiple use cases that I think hydrogen is going to play a role in that's going to enable some of the sectors of economy that might be hard to electrify and really enable hydrogen to play a key role to provide that heat or that energy into that system in order to have it be carbon free. The energy transition is not going to be one technology that's going to win out and then that's going to be the answer. We need multiple solutions for a cost-effective energy transition. There's a couple different things that Coffman is able to do as it kind of relates to hydrogen. A lot of that stems from sort of our deep history in sort of industrial engineering, working in refineries, oil and gas. So a lot of those skills are very transferable into the hydrogen space. There's a lot of ways that hydrogen can be incorporated into people's existing business models that maybe is not necessarily apparent to folks just because they're not familiar with hydrogen, and there's multiple use cases as to how it can be applied. There's a lot of projects that are going to be coming on here over the coming decades, and we think we have a great service where we can be fit for purpose to help companies figure out how hydrogen can be incorporated into their business.